Hey there! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the building mods for Minecraft application to enhance your Minecraft gameplay. This app allows you to easily create modern houses and other structures on your Minecraft map using addons. Open Minecraft and go to Settings, navigate to Profile, and scroll down to Select External. Click Play. Create New. Generate Random. Set up your new world. Once done, click Play. Open the building mods for Minecraft app. Install anything you want. Click Yes. Choose Grant access to Minecraft's Worlds folder. You will see a list of your Minecraft worlds. Select the world you just created. Adjust. Return to Minecraft and open your world. There you go. Birds of a feather say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one, and be sure to check out my other videos for even more learning opportunities. Until next time, happy learning!